5th of January this year, my mum left this earth, but she still lives. I can't see her physical hands, but she still gives. I can't see her mouth, but she's still speaking words of life. I remember her words of encouragement. Ike, have you prayed about a wife? Sorry, social media. I know I didn't tell you. I was still trying to process it. Is this true? So I won't get a chance to make another toast and tea? At odd times in the evening, my mum would call me. Toast and tea before bedtime. Why doesn't she call anyone else? I would whine. When I paused, she hit me with a signature line. I carried you for 9 months. Did you hear that? 9. From what I know, none of the others were premature. But what I do know is Mum made us very secure. Secure of identity in Jesus Christ. She would lead prayer consistently, morning and night. Mum was a good influence. Mum was a light. There's so much I've written, so much I can write. I didn't post it anywhere, so why today? 5th of November is her birthday. She also got married on the same day. Mother, mummy, mum. It's Ike, your third born, your second son. Thank you for the seeds you planted in me. I believe the fruits will come. Mum didn't just come to earth and leave. She left something behind. It wasn't just physical. She left something in our minds. Mum left us with a wealth of words. I won't forget her words to me personally. Her positive declarations over my life will live with me eternally. 5th of November, it was your time to be born. 5th of January, it was your time to leave. Your departure didn't make me cry so much. It motivated me to roll up my sleeves. Everything God has put in me, I need to push it out. I've got words to speak. I need to open my mouth. I need to stop worrying about what people will think or say. Before my night comes, I need to work while it's day. Dear mother, dear mummy, dear mum, I don't see your departure as depressing. You left many words and major lessons. I've been living more intentionally. Thanks, Mum. You've been a blessing. There's me, Mum. God bless you, Mum. All right. Cheers, Gerald. We can stop the video.